My name is Kavya Patil. I am in 9th standard. I am from Karjat branch. My project name is FPCC, Flood Protecting Covers for Cars. In rainy season, due to drainage system not working properly, water starts collecting in low-lying area because of flood. Our cars are parked in parking areas like this, and the water starts collecting in that area, and the water damages our car's engine and internal parts too. To solve this problem, I have introduced this solution, FPCC, Flood Protecting Covers for Cars. Now I will show how it works. Firstly, we have to put our car in it. Then we have to close the flap properly so that no water will remove from this. Now, with the help of the pump, I will remove the air. Now you can see that all the air from the cover has been removed by the pump. Our car is fully protected from the water. Not a single drop of water can enter inside this cover. I will show this. You can see this. There is not a single drop of water on the car. Thank you.